Hi class, Professor Harrison here. In this video I'm going to go through the O.W.N.S mnemonic to help determine what type of lease we have, either an operating lease or a capital lease. So let's first start off with a very close reading of the problem in order to determine perhaps some of the answers to the O.W.N.S mnemonic. So we have Bromwell, and they're going to lease a Caterpillar backhoe to Jackson for 14 years beginning in January, and they're going to have to pay $17,250 per year for that. The interest rate that is applicable is 5%. First payment is due upon the signing of the lease. The fair market value of the equipment is $205,000, and the estimated economic life of that equipment is 28 years. So let's go and look at our O.W.N.S mnemonic. The first piece that we want to look at is the O of O.W.N.S mnemonic. And what we look in for the problem is to see, is there any ownership transfer for the lease problem? And there's nothing in the lease problem that says that ownership transfers from one party to the other during that lease or at the end of that lease. So for our yes, no, that is a no. We then look at the W. Is there a written bargain option in the lease contract? There's nothing in the problem that tells us that there would be a written bargain option. That is a no. In the O.W.N.S mnemonic, we do these in the order of how easy they are. So we skip down to the S, the last one. Is the lease life greater than 75% of the economic life? Well, the lease life is 14 years. There are 14 years tied up of this equipment in that lease. There's approximately 28 years of economic life. 14 divided by 28, that means that 50% of the true economic life of this piece of equipment is in the lease. That is definitely less than 75%, or it is not greater than 75%, and that creates a no. The last piece of the puzzle that we have to look at is the hardest piece. This one is we need to calculate the present value of all of the payments and compare that to 90% of the fair market value of the piece of equipment. So in order to do that, we take the payment, $17,250. We multiply that by a present value annuity factor, 5%. And how many of these 14 periods are in the future? 13 are in the future, 1 is today. So we go to our tables, 5%, 13 periods, and we find that number to be 9.39357. We multiply that by 17,250, the payment, and we find out that the present value of those future payments is $162,039.08. We add the one payment today. We know the present value of that is $17,250. The total amount for all of the payments is $179,289.08. We compare that number to 90% of the fair market value of the piece of equipment. Well, the piece of equipment is valued at $205,000. 90% of that is $184,500. Is the present value of all the payments greater than 90% of the fair market value? Answer to that question is no. We have 4 no's. That is an operating lease. So when we go to the income statement, we're going to see only one line item there that is reference to this. Nothing on the balance sheet. It's going to say something to the effect of either rent or lease expense, and it's going to say $17,250. That's all the accounting that we have to do for this. The actual present value is, of course, buried in the footnotes. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and there are several other videos that I also hope you find useful.